Hello and welcome to Burges Salmon's annual deal review for 2021. Now obviously 2021 has had its challenges, but we're delighted to have had a really busy year and advised our clients, both domestic and international, on a wide range of transactions across a variety of sectors. In total, over the year, we advised on deals worth more than $2.5 billion, and we're looking forward to working with you all next year. What follows is a summary of some of the key transactions of the year, together with some of the themes we encountered.
So although we entered our third COVID lockdown on 6th of January, deal activity remained strong for us and the wider market at the start of 2021. Of the 27 deals our team completed, many of those were in two sectors that have held up particularly well throughout the pandemic: energy and technology. On the energy front, in a sector that continues to grow in importance, with COP26, net zero and the green recovery remaining so high up on the agenda, the team built on their success as being named Energy and Infrastructure Team of the Year at the British Legal Awards and completed 7 deals in Q1 alone. That included their second lockdown transaction for long-standing client Bluefield Solar, the acquisition of Bradenstoke Solar Park. Standout tech deals included the sale of Keep It Simple to TPX Impact plc and the sale of cloud-based customer data platform BlueVen to Nasdaq-listed Upland Software. At the same time as all that, the team were busy developing B-Scale. B-Scale is an innovative new technology platform which will help us support fast tech growth clients from startup to scale up and beyond.
Although some market commentators talked about deal flow plateauing in Q2, we followed a busy Q1 with a slightly busier second quarter. Technology continued to be a key theme, and one of our deals straddled technology and financial services M&A, which is another key sector for the firm. There was a lot of platform consolidation in the sector over the course of the year, and we acted for AIM-listed Nucleus Financial in its much publicised takeover by James Hay. Another technology deal saw us acting for legal software provider Legatix on an investment into the business by Mobius. We were fortunate to act for a number of long-standing clients on M&A deals during the quarter, many of which involved us engaging multidisciplinary teams within the firm as well as multi-jurisdictional teams through our preferred firm network. A couple of key examples include acting for Darwin Alternatives Bereavement Services Fund on its acquisitions of Memoria Group, as well as acting for global chemicals business Element Solutions on its $60 million acquisition of HK Wentworth Group.
Q3 didn't see the usual summer softening in deal flow. Instead, the market remained strong, competitive and busy throughout. Indeed, by the end of Q3, a greater value of deals had been done than in the entirety of 2020. This was fuelled in part by dry powder on corporate balance sheets, as well as by levels of private equity activity not seen since 2017. At Burges Salmon, we're particularly active in the clean energy sector, driven on by the continued push towards net zero, both across traditional infrastructures such as wind, solar and battery storage, together with newer developing technologies such as hydrogen. We also saw a remarkable level of consolidation amongst financial services platform providers, together with those looking to break into the sector through acquisition. Moreover, tech-focused transactions remain particularly prevalent throughout Q3, with Burges Salmon acting on transactions across sectors ranging from life sciences through to user experience and data analytics providers.
Transactional activity remained very strong in the last quarter of 2021, with a number of the transactions and processes that we've been working on through the summer and autumn coming to a close. Tech inevitably continued to be a real area of focus for us, with a number of transactions in that space. For example, we acted for Lightfoot Innovations, a green tech company carving a niche in the electric vehicle sector, on its investment by Volpe Capital, a European PE firm. However, it wasn't just about tech. We saw transactional activity remaining very strong across the board in a number of sectors. Firstly, for example, hospitality, where we acted for Zetland Capital on both an acquisition of a London pub portfolio as well as on the purchase of a duo of McDonald hotels, the latest in a string of transactions in the hotel space for us. And secondly, retail and consumer, where in addition to acting for Omelette and its founders on the investment by Piper Private Equity in the fast-growing pet accessory brand, we also acted alongside Rothschilds on the sale of Sunmark, a leading consumer goods business exporting and distributing its owned and third-party branded products across the globe, the latest being yet another example of the international deal flow that we had seen throughout the year.
We're all probably glad to see the back of 2021. It was a year with more twists and turns than anyone could have imagined, even though M&A activity was strong. We look forward to 2022 with optimism, although we know that the pandemic is likely to continue to influence the broader environment for some time yet. Our M&A pipeline looks good at the moment, and we anticipate that many of the key trends which we saw last year are likely to continue in 2022. So we expect M&A activity to be driven by digital transformation, the energy transition and the road to net zero, inbound M&A, and consolidation across a number of sectors. We look forward to working with clients, our global preferred firm network and corporate finance advisors, and getting some great deals over the line in 2022.